What's going on, everybody? Decided today that I want to open up this Shining Fates Pikachu V box and see if, by chance I could somehow hit another Charizard VMAX Shiny and 10 sleeved boosters of Astral Radiance. So give me a second while I open these. Alright, so there's the code card from the box, and we've got our 10 packs of Astral Radiance and 10 packs of Shining Fates. We will see if we can get anything. So we've got code card, and we're not going to do the pack trick today. Bergmite, Rufflet, Ponyta, Chatot, Bronzer, Mightyena. Oh wow! A rainbow on the first pack? That's wild. Okay, I'll take that. Energy, Hippowdon, Energy Lotto, and Quilava. Alright, apologies. Had some issues with my little ghetto rigged setup here, but I think I got it covered now. So, I put that card in a sleeve and a top loader, and I think we are good to go now. So, let's hope. Alright, moving on. Next pack of Astral Radiance. Can't believe I hit a rainbow on the first pack. It's kind of wild. Alright. Like I said, not going to do any pack trick today. Swinub, Lammeow, Chatot, Ponyta, Kricketot, Reverse Rowlet, and a Garchomp V. Alright. Yeah, so, like I said, I am not really a PokeTuber. I just decided I was going to open some packs for you guys for fun, since this is stuff that I've been wanting to open, and stuff that I've been finding when I've been out and about. So, enjoy if you decide to want to watch. If not, it's all good, because I was going to open the packs anyway. Rowlet, Oshawott, Scyther, Stantler, Yanma, Weirdeer, Trainer Gallery, Registeel, Fire Energy, Zizu, Golduck, Super Effective Glasses, and a code card. Jeez, that code card looked trashed. You know what? And I also sleeve cards that I guarantee no one else would really be sleeving, but that's just my prerogative, man. I do what I want. Alright, next pack. Man, I wish I had figured out a way to improve the quality. I don't know what happened when I posted that video where I pulled the Gengar VMAX Alt Art, but that video quality was just absolutely terrible. It didn't look like that exactly when I filmed it. I don't really know what happened there. But the GoPro was not the way, apparently. Alright, come on. It's cooled off since those first couple packs. Can I get something? Glaceon. Another code card. Alright. We've got a starter. We've got Cyndaquil, Quillfish, Growlithe, Bergmite, Rufflet, Reverse Poniard, and now a Leafeon. V-Star marker. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with these code cards, dude? That thing is jacked up. Sometimes I'm wondering, like, I mean, I don't think stuff at main stores is like big box stores or repacks, but I swear I have seen it before, you know? Chogepi, Combi, Chatot, Psyduck, wow, Psyduck, Drifloon, Suin Growlithe Reverse, and a Lilligant V. Noctowl, Unidentified Fossil, Dartrix, and here's a code card. Yeah, I don't know. Have you guys had that experience where you buy stuff from a big box store and it ends up being a repack or like a resealed product that maybe someone returned and they decided to put back on the shelf because they don't really know any better? Because I feel like that's happened to me before, but I don't know. I could just be tripping. Code card. Hoot Hoot, Kricketot, Sudowoodo, Combi, Drifloon, Reverse Curlia, and a Hollow Deontay. Definitely not going to put hollows in penny sleeves. However, I don't know if I have that hollow, surprisingly. It doesn't look familiar. I probably do, though. I've opened a decent amount of Astral Radiance, but don't usually have the best luck from this set. I would really like to get that Machamp or to get the Dialga Alt-Art. I have the Palkia. Rufflet, Ponyta, Rowlet, Bronzer, Oshawott, Reverse Dartrix, and a Hollow Absol. That's not what we're looking for. Alright, last pack of Astral Radiance, and then we'll see how bad Shining Fates destroys me today. I have pulled the Charizard VMAX, but unfortunately the one I pulled graded a 9 and not a 10, so that was a little bit of a bummer, but can't win them all. Alright, so let's see. Shining Fates, we got 4 packs. We'll save the Charizard ones for last, just because I'm basic like that. Alright, let's do the pack trick on Shining Fates and see if we get anything lucky. Oh my gosh, quality control is terrible. Ball Guy, Rusted Sword, Eldegoss, Eevee, Nickit, Horsey, Snom, Morpeko, Reverse Morpeko, and a Volcanion. Alright. Dragapult pack. Let's go. We've got the code card again. Energy, Thwackey, Gym Trainer, Floatzel, Buizel, Yanma, Trapinch, Yanma, what the heck, Shinx, and this stupid freaking squirrel. Not a fan. Get out of here. God. Alright. Well, this is about how I expected this to go, so can't say I'm surprised. If I pull anything, I'll be surprised. Cufant, Professor's Research, Energy, yeah, okay, whatever. All good. You know, this set really seems to be another one of those Charizard or die sets. There's nothing else really of much value within it, so it's like, is it really worth opening anymore? I don't know. But this is the last pack. Let's see if I can get something. We shall see. Snom. Well, no shinies. And a Manaphy. Well, that's the highlight of the video. Oh well. Better luck next time. Good luck on your pulls if you decide to open some products, and I'll catch you next time.